Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Mando and together we're gonna learn German. So let's get started. Today we're gonna be learning about how to say your name to someone and how to ask for their name. So there are three ways. The first way is with my name is. So, mein Name ist. Mein Name ist Mando. Mein Name ist Peter. The second way to say your name is ich heiße. Ich heiße Mando, meaning I am called Mando. And then the third way to say your name is ich bin. Ich bin Mando, meaning I am Mando. So there is three ways to say your name. The first way is mein Name ist. The second way is to say ich heiße, I'm called. And the third way is to say ich bin. Now, how do you ask a person for their name? There are also three ways to do that. But we have to be careful of one thing. We have to be careful of the formal or informal question. If you're talking to a person who is older than us, then we use the Wie ist Ihr Name. On the other hand, when we're talking to a person that we know, then we say Wie ist dein Name? The second way to say how is your name, to ask a person for their name, is Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie is the question to someone older than us. On the other hand, we say Wie heißt du? How you're called. You in an informal way. The third way, asking about someone's name, is Wer sind Sie? Who are you? And also we have Wer bist du? Meaning who are you in an informal way. So let's go together. Wie ist Ihr Name? Or wie ist dein Name? Wie heißen Sie? Or wie heißt du? And wer sind Sie? And wer bist du? So, for homework for next time, I want you to leave a comment below and just write your name in German. Ich heiße Peter. Ich heiße Maria. Ich heiße Mando. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye!